So I told you that I was going to attempt to make a cabin, or at least was thinking about it, making it out of those 3/16 inch dowels that I made the bridge out of. So anyway, I've got plans drawn out. I've got the floor and the roof done and some of the parts cut. So thought I'd kind of show you where I am. So this is the plans that I drew out and what I needed to cut. I have not planned out the roof yet. I don't know what I'm going to do there for sure. So anyway, got that all drawn out, and I've got I got my pieces cut for the house, just not the roof. And I put them over here in these sandwich bags, and with what length they are on there. And some of them are stained and some of them are not. The ones that are stained are stuff I had left over from the bridge, and then I have those there cut as well for the back. And then I also have the floor and the ceiling done. Show you that, and then I was going to also show you how I did these little things right here. Okay, so I'm going to try to show you how I did this. I hope this works. Doing it one-handed just wasn't working out too well. So I hope I don't have a problem with matching the stain on those that are already done, but already stained. But I think it'll be okay. Just try to wipe off what I put on there real quick. So I got those on there like this, up against a square good and tight. Scoot my little vise up here. This thing's really heavy for the size that it is, by the way. Get it in there like that. Want it snug, but not so tight that it buckles up. And we'll let that dry for a little bit till it gets good and tacky, and then we'll come in with our putty knife and scrape it up off of this and let it dry. Okay, so I've got all the pieces cut. So I am going to put it together. This will be the front of the log cabin. But I am going to see what it looks like first before I start gluing. Let me see what I got here. That will be sure everything fits, which it should. Where's my ruler? A little break in the action there. So this will be 1/2 inch over, and then an inch over for that. 3/4 of an inch, I think. Half inch, I think. That should be 1/2 inch. This doesn't have to be exact anyway. I'm just trying to figure out, be sure everything fits right. Anyway, something like that. So put these on there. That's not good. Seriously. Well, Bill, I cut those rascals too short. I did. Look at that. After I cut the first one, I brought it over here to be sure it was right. Well, dang it.
Are you talking to me?
I'm talking to myself.
Oh.
Okay, so I decided my door was too long. So pieces I had across here, like this one, and this one, I'm going to take one log off the bottom and make my window shorter. So we will see how that goes. I don't know how to. Well, easy peasy. See if we can get lucky 4 times. There's twice. It's 3 times. There we go. Well, let's hope that that's solved the way it looked. Still can't believe I didn't measure that right. Twice. Last night on Vinny's live thing, somebody said measure twice, cut till it's gone. I guess that's probably about what I'm going to do. So the wife has decided that this should be the proper number of logs, height, width, and all that stuff. So that's what we're going to go with. So I am going to glue it all together and see what happens. Okay, so this is the final product. It's all glued together. And we're going to take it up. Ooh, easy peasy. And this is going to be, must knock that loose. But anyway, this is going to be the front of the cabin. And it's going to go on here, something like that. And of course, I'm going to stain it after I put it together, so it'll all be one thing. But anyway, so off to a little bit of a rough start, but that doesn't look too bad, I guess. I don't know. Doesn't look as good as I was hoping it would, but